If you've ever dreamed of creating an income from home, being present for your children, and building a life that you do not have to take a vacation from, then you need to listen up. In just a moment, I'm going to share with you the incredible benefits that are waiting for you inside of my digital marketing program. Benefits that have completely allowed me to transform my own life. Are you a stay-at-home mom and feel like you've lost a little piece of yourself in the beautiful chaos of motherhood? I see you because I am you. I loved being home with my kids, but I craved something more. I craved a sense of purpose outside of motherhood, a way to contribute financially without missing those important moments. That's why I joined the digital marketing program. It's designed for busy moms just like us. You don't need any prior experiences. You don't need a degree in marketing. And you certainly don't need to trade your precious time with your family for a demanding job. This program is your perfect entry into a world of online business. It's crafted to fit seamlessly into the life of a stay-at-home mom who wants to build an empire in the comfort of her own home. It's about empowering you to find that balance, to be both a present mother and a successful entrepreneur. This isn't just another course. It's a lifeline for moms who are ready to reclaim their financial independence and personal identity, all while being amazing moms that they already are. Imagine this. What if you could build a thriving, profitable online business by just working 2 hours a day? It sounds almost too good to be true. We are so conditioned to believe that we have to work 8, 10, 12-hour days with overtime to have success. But I'm here to tell you that the digital world has changed all of that. With the strategies and automated system that we teach you in this program, a 2-hour workday is not a fantasy. It's a completely achievable reality. You can work during nap time, after the kids go to bed, or even in short bursts throughout the day. It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. I'll show you how to set up systems that work for you around the clock. So your business will continue to grow even if you're at the park with your kids or reading a bedtime story. This is the ultimate freedom, the ability to generate a significant income without sacrificing your entire life. It's about creating a business that serves your life, not the other way around. Now let's talk about one very important aspect about this whole business, 100% profit. Let that sink in. When you join my program, you get access to a digital marketing product that comes with master resale rights. This means you have the right to resell this program that you are learning from, and you keep every penny of that profit. There are no uplines, there are no downlines, no team building requirements, and no one taking a cut of your earnings, like in multi-level marketing. You are the business owner. If you sell a product for $900, you keep that whole entire $900. This is how you can scale your income instantly and quickly. Unlike traditional businesses where you have massive overheads, inventory costs, slim profit margins, this is pure profit. It's the fastest and most direct way to financial freedom. And it puts all the power and all the earning directly into your hands. One of the greatest gifts about this online business is that you can work from anywhere. All you need is a laptop or a cell phone with Wi-Fi and you're on. This means you're no longer tied down to a specific location. Do you want to work from your couch while your kids play? You can do that. Want to take a family vacation and still check in on your business? You can do that. Need to visit family in another state for an extended period of time? This business comes with you. The location independence is a game changer for families. It removes the stress of having to be at a certain place at a certain time, and it opens up a world of possibilities for travel, experiences, and a lifestyle design. You can totally build a life that revolves around your family's needs and desires and no longer wrapped into the traditional rigid demands of a job. This is what freedom feels like. The ability to make an income while living your life on your own terms, wherever you choose that to be. When you join my program, you're not just getting a course, you're joining a community. And honestly, it's one of the most valuable parts of the whole system. You will be welcomed into an exclusive group of like-minded individuals. A lot are stay-at-home moms just like you and me who are on the exact same journey. It's a place where you can ask questions, celebrate your wins, get feedback, and find encouragement on those rough days. We are all in this together and we cheer each other on every step of the way. You will never feel alone or lost. The collaborative spirit is incredible. We share what's working, we troubleshoot challenges together, and we build genuine friendships. Starting a business can feel isolating. With our community, you have a built-in network of friends and mentors who understand exactly what you are going through and are dedicated to seeing you succeed. A unique benefit of this program is that you get to learn directly from our $1 million creator. She's not just some faceless guru who disappears after you join. Michelle is an active mentor in our community. She hosts live calls, she answers questions, and she provides the support and guidance that you need. She has walked this path herself, starting from zero as a complete beginner, and now has built a life-changing business. We know the struggles, we know the shortcuts, and we know what it takes to have a life-changing business. And we know what it takes to succeed. We are deeply invested in your success because we know what's possible for you. You get to learn from other people's experiences, other people's mistakes, and other people's triumphs. This direct access is invaluable. Instead of trying to figure out things on your own, you have over 55,000 people that have probably been there before you and can give you help and mentor you. This isn't about making money for today. This is about building a legacy for your children. By building a successful online business, you are showing them and teaching them what is possible. You are teaching them about entrepreneurship, resilience, and how to make their own path. You are building an asset that can provide for your family for years to come, creating generational wealth and a foundation for security. Imagine the conversations you can have about business, about financial literacy, and about designing a life that you love. You're not just building income, you're building a new future for your family. One filled with more opportunity, more freedom, and choice. This is a gift that impacts their life long after they're grown and out of the home. Ultimately, all of these benefits lead to one thing that matters the most to all of us: being home for your children. It's about being there for school pickup, the sick days, the sporting events, and the spontaneous moments that you can't put price tags on. It's about eliminating the mom guilt that comes from having to choose between a career and being present. With this business, you don't have to choose. You can have both. You can be a fully engaged, present parent and a successful, empowered business owner. You could tuck them in at bed at night without feeling stressed about an early morning routine. You can volunteer for that class field trip without having to ask a boss for permission. This is the why for most of us. This program gives you the tools to build a financial future that allows you to be the mom you've always wanted to be without any sacrifice. If any of this resonates with you, if you're ready to build a 2-hour workday, earn 100% profit with the master resale rights, and create a life of freedom for you and your family, then I invite you to learn more. Don't let another day go by dreaming about it. Take the first step towards making it your reality. I have laid everything out for you in a simple step-by-step program, in a simple step-by-step system that anyone can follow. Your new life is waiting for you. All you have to do is say yes. To get the details and see how you can get started today, go to my website, lauradailypay.com, or go to my link in my bio. Can't wait to see you on the inside.